Planning a luxury event and stuck with nasty porta potties? Step up to a whole new level of restroom luxury with Throne Ranger. Experience luxurious interiors with granite countertops and real wood furnishings, climate-controlled comfort, and 4K TVs to display your custom slideshow or movie. Charmin toilet paper, wipes, feminine products, Febreze and Ozium air fresheners, Mrs. Meyer's soap, and mints ensure your guests have a great experience because every detail matters. Our 4K TVs let you display slideshows, movies, welcome messages, event info, ads, or corporate branding. Our auto-retractable awning with built-in LED lighting creates a polished, shaded entry, day or night. Remote monitoring allows us to detect and address issues before they impact your event. Professional attendants are available to greet guests and maintain a pristine restroom experience from start to finish. Guests love us. That's why we're rated 5 stars on Google. For your next party or event, contact Throne Ranger at throneranger.com or call 713-747-0505.